Welcome to the settings module. In this section, let's know about all the tabs under the settings. Among all the tabs, we have already discussed about the 4 tabs in the configurations module. They are, the first one is academics. So in this tab, we discussed how to add the classes from the institute. And the second one is academic year. In this tab, we discussed how to configure the academic year. And third one is fee types. In this tab, we configure the other fee types which are available in the institute. And the fourth one is change password. Here we updated the default password and created the new one. Now let's discuss about the other tabs which are not discussed in the configuration module. Here the first one is new login. Here you can create the multiple new login accounts for accessing the application, and also you can manage all the login accounts here. Usually, any institute contains multiple persons involving in different works like a accountant takes care of the payment related details and a teacher also submit the attendance and marks related details and an admin takes care of the newly registered student details and manages the student details. So in such cases, if you want to create a new login and giving a permission to only one feature and restricting him from accessing the other features, so you can create a login with selective permissions. So, so let's say if you want to create a new login for an accountant, and for that enter the all the required details here. Say here I'm giving accountant name as Sai Kumar and designation as accountant. Select the role as others and select the required permissions. So for an accountant only payments is enough. So that's why I'm selecting the payments and enter the remaining fields like mobile number, email ID. Now, if you submit the details, a new login will be created which having the access to the only payments, and he doesn't have any access to the dashboard, students, or attendance and marks. So let's see that one. So click on the submit. See, a new login is created successfully. So let's see how it will appear to the application when you log in with the new email ID. So, so if you see here for this new login, which is having a payments feature only accessible and no access to the other features, and settings and configurations are common to the every login. So in this way, you can create the different logins for a teacher and a accountant and an admin and migration related details and so on. So let's go back to the previous main login account. Here you can also even edit or delete this newly created login. If you click on edit, so here you can manage the other details other than the email ID. Here you can also change the permission and allocate the new permissions. And if you click on save, the new permissions gets updated. So the next one is notifications. So here you can post any notifications for the internal communication within the applications. Let's say I'm posting a notification as a teachers meeting on 16th. So if you click on save, notification will be saved successfully. You can also see this notification in dashboard under the notice board section. So notifications will also reflect here. And next one is my profile. So it contains the currently logged in user details like username, email ID, designation, and the location. Now let's see about the some more features in the application. Like if you click on this notification icon, you can directly navigate to the notifications tab. So here, so let's click on it. So if you see here, you directly navigate to the notification section. And if you open the next one, quick access, so it contains different quick features that you can access like payments, student info, history, and new login, change password. So let's click one by one and see what will happen. So if you click on payments, you will navigate to payments. Like, and if you click on add student info, it will automatically open a form in the students and click on the new login. It will navigate you to new login tab, change password and history, and this is the student info. So if you click on this, it will navigate you to a particular page where you can access all the student related info. So let's click on the student info here. See here. In this page, you can see the complete student information from the current academic year. Let's say if you search on student ID and click on search, it will give complete student related data like complete student details and his payment details and marks details in single place. So that's how it's useful to view the complete student details in a single place. And if you click on this, it shows two options. One is my profile and logout. So if you click on my profile, it navigates you to the my profile section. And if you click on the logout, it will automatically log out the application. Let's discuss about the two more icons located at bottom right side. So these are one is contact us and one is help and support. See if you click on the first one, WhatsApp icon, contact us. So it will open the WhatsApp. If you log in with your WhatsApp credentials, you can directly access or contact the at contact support of the admin through the WhatsApp, and you can post your issue related information in the WhatsApp directly. Similarly, let's click on the other icon. So that is help and support. So here, if you face any issue in the application, you can submit that application in the help and support section. Like enter the issue name. So let's say I'm having an issue with login issue, and you can enter the description about the issue. And you can even attach any screenshot here and click on send. See, the issue submitted successfully, and it will trigger an email to the customer support email regarding the issue that you posted here. So, so that's all about the settings. Thank you. Successfully. On save, notification will be saved. So if you click on, so the next one is notifications and an accountant and etc.